Okay, this is Scrappy K Sue. This is another D-stash for the D-stash giveaway that I'm doing. If you just came to this video, this is a D-stash giveaway. I will link the initial video for the giveaway, but I just did an update on my last video right before this one, so you'll probably need to watch both if you want to get included in it. So let me show you what this D-stash is. Now, because shipping has gone up so much here in the last few years, it's really getting harder and harder to pay for shipping, and I understand that. I mean, when I buy stuff, you know, from D-stashes, I take that into consideration as well. So this particular D-stash, though, is sort of a make me an offer. It's going to be sent in this medium flat rate box, which I think the price is now like 14 something. I think, I'm not really sure, but what's in this is what you're going to make the offer on. It's going to be yarn. I know there's a lot of crocheters out there or knitters, but I have a ton of yarn that I just need to get rid of. So whatever the price of the shipping plus what your offer is, if I accept it, will be the cost of this D-stash. Okay, so let me show you what's in here. And some of this is just scraps from what I had, and some of them are full. So here's the first one. Now, this is that thick type of yarn. I don't use this type of yarn. I never have. I tried crocheting with it. I just didn't like the way it looked. But I'm a simple crocheter, and there may be some extra thing. I really love the colors, though. I wish it was a straight line, because I really like the colors in that. Hold on a second. I need to see what make sure y'all can see what I'm showing you. You see that? I hope the colors are showing up. And then I have this one, which is similar to it, and it is a rust color. It's got a little bit of sort of an orangey, muted orangey color, but it's a real pretty color too. And it's similar, I think, yeah, but it's a little bit different as far as the yarn itself. I don't know if you can see that. So that's those two. I think those are the only two like that. Then I have a full size blue, baby blue. I don't know what these are as far as the name brand. I don't have any of the papers on them. The next one are going to be some remnants. I have a really bright red. I mean, it's big. I have another bright red, which is a smaller. Now it's a different color. It's like a shade lighter than this one, and it's smaller. Okay, and then I have two more, and I'm assuming that like this one may go with this. It may be the same, but I didn't put them together because I wasn't sure. So you got all of these reds in different shades. Okay, and then I have this kind. These were on this is actually size of the thing. Now I cannot remember what the name of this is, but I really like these colors. But I've got like a couple more of these. Same thing on this one. It's the same, I think it's the same brand as this one, but different colors. And I actually balled this one up. Okay. And then I have some orange. It's the size of my hand. It's a bright orange. And then I have some white. Now, that is really all I could shove into this box. All these little ones are going down to the bottom. Okay, including this big one over here. And then these large ones I shoved in as much as I can because, okay, now I may could get some more little ones in here. If I can, I'll shove those in here as well. Actually, I think maybe I can. What did I do with all? Oh, I must have put all that up. But I'm going to show you how much more room I have. See, I have a little bit more room right here. It wouldn't be big, but just a little bit. And then maybe a little bit here. If I can find some more yarn, I will put the yarn in there. If I don't, I will actually put something else in here because I know, again, the shipping, you know, is 14 something. And that's the only way I know how to ship it, because if you did it any other way, I'm not even sure. I mean, this is probably over a pound. I mean, you would think yarn wouldn't weigh that much, but when you got a bunch of it, well, also you got to consider the box too, I guess. But the box, they don't weigh that much. But so it would be priority mail anyway, and if you put it just in a regular priority mail, that's still going to cost you. So I figured this was the easiest way, and so this is 14 something for the shipping, and then you just tell me what you want to pay, you know, for this is fine. So just let me know. All right, guys, and if you have any questions about it, or if maybe you're looking for another color, I can see if I got it, and I'll shove it in there, no extra price, you know, so just let me know. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.